In this video, we will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to a Squarespace website. This is my Squarespace website. We need to go to our dashboard and click our website configuration in here and choose setting on your Squarespace website, then select domains and make sure you already have domain on your Namecheap. For example, we have this domain appwas.com and click manage. Okay, we active on this domain name. We will connect this into Squarespace website. So in here, choose use a domain I own because we already have the domain name, and type domain with your domain name. Okay, and click this. You can see here there is already registered on Namecheap on 16 April 2022. We will connect the domain. In here, we need to select the provider because we are using Namecheap. So select Namecheap and click connect domain. Okay, then we need to add this record. Okay, if you have another proxy like Cloudflare, maybe you need to open this domain name into Cloudflare. In here, we need to click Advanced DNS and make sure your name server using Namecheap basic DNS. If you are using proxy like Cloudflare, maybe you will configure on the Cloudflare side, not on the Namecheap. Because we are using default name server for our domain name, so we just click Advanced DNS. In here, we have record, and for CNAME, mail settings, and another. So we need to configure this CNAME with a record. Okay, let's use this. Click add new record. Using in here, we need to add CNAME record. Okay, this is the host. And this is the required data. Okay, we can click save this. Number second is www, and okay, this is already have. We need to edit this. For the values is this. Okay, because www is already listed, you need just edit the record. And also don't forget for a record. This is for add, and this is automatic. The second IP, the third IP, the last IP, okay. The record for DNS is already done in here, but you must know that maybe the domain name is need propagation 48 hours, or 2 days after the connection in progress is done. It will successfully connected your domain name on your Squarespace website. Okay, that's all tutorial how to connect your Namecheap domain name with, okay, you can see just in minutes your domain name is already connected. Okay, we can also test if we want, but maybe it's not directly works, but we can try in here. Oh yes, okay, there is works directly. And now our domain name already connected. That's all tutorial how to connect our domain name in Namecheap with Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.